Hey friends, I'm just going to talk about and show you very briefly the blasting cabinet. It's an Empire blasting cabinet. It's a 48 inch by 48 inch by 6 feet tall, and the 6 foot edition is something I did to accommodate larger items like fenders and stuff. But the perforated sheet metal 11 gauge half-inch hole, perforated holes all throughout the existing floor, the original floor. Large pieces of it wore out over time because I'm right-handed, so when I hold the blasting nozzle, there's a bias on a certain area. There was a bias on a certain area of the blasting floor. And I priced a replacement floor made from the manufacturer for this cabinet. Each 24 inch by 48 inch size piece of perforated metal was $750, and there's no effing way I'm going to spend that on this. So this is what I've done and am doing. I've got some 8-inch steel plate right here, and I put it in the middle and I cut it in half. It's a 26 by 32 square piece in the middle. Cut it in half, and that'll allow me to remove this piece and then remove that piece like the original was. Now I'm cutting up the original perforated floor, and you can see this is another piece of the old original floor, and I had to put some plate down on top of it because the steel was just absolutely wearing out and just gets it really thin. So I'll drill those out with half-inch drill bit and rebuild my floor, the platform in there. This side is pretty much done right here. And on Friday, because tomorrow I got to go out of town, but Friday I'm going to do that section over there, finish that up. And if I do not have enough perforated, which I don't think I do, I'm going to probably use some mesh that I have here. Because remember, my bias is towards my right hand, so I'm blowing it from this way towards the door. So when you look in here, I'm blowing it that way. And sometimes I'll hold it with my left hand and shoot it that way too. So, but this is all, this is something I've been putting off for a while to do this floor because I wasn't quite sure. In the steel supply store downtown, they have pieces of this on the wall as coupons showing us, the customer, what they offer in terms of for sale. And I called them today and they said, no, we need to take those down. We don't offer those anymore. We don't sell those anymore. And I was like, great, who do I go to? And they told me McNichols Steel, I think in Dallas and Houston. And I called them. They have the piece I need, but one 4x8 sheet cut in half with the edging would have been over $500, and I would have had to go and pick it up. Granted, I'm going to Dallas next week to pick up 5 928 manifolds and deliver one 5 928 manifold to Roger and Sean, and pick up some parts for the 944S. God, I love Marketplace. Marketplace has some good deals. They really do. I mean, you can find some gold on that thing. It's really nice. So, just got to work with it, folks. Sometimes you just got to modify it and make it work and make it look really good and function really well. And there it is on the blasting bay here. Anyways, it's very humid today, and I'm going to go and I don't know if I should cut my hair. It's really long. I've really been letting it grow quite a bit. And I think I'm just going to keep letting it grow. Maybe trim it a little bit, but we'll see. Anyways, gotta go. Have a good day. Keep your nails, keep your feet healthy and happy. Clean them, clean your nails, wash up. Always look up, be happy, have a good heart. Have a good heart. That's what really matters. So, go Trump. See ya. Bye-bye.